Human hair might seem like an unlikely survival tool, but its unique properties make it surprisingly useful in emergencies. In a pinch, your hair can serve as a resource for tasks ranging from building tools to protecting your garden. So let's look at some unexpected ways human hair can be used in survival situations. Making rope or cordage. Did you know that human hair is incredibly strong? A single strand can hold up to 100 grams of weight, and when it's braided together, hair becomes a durable and flexible cord. In a survival scenario, you can use it to create small ropes for tying objects, fashion makeshift fishing lines, and secure gear or tools. To make cordage, simply gather the strands of hair and braid them tightly. You'll be amazed at how effective it can be when no other materials are available. Water prefiltration. Hair can trap debris and particles, making it a useful pre-filter for water. While it won't purify water entirely, it can remove larger impurities before boiling or treating the water chemically. Simply bundle strands of hair together and use them as a filter in a funnel or in a DIY water filter. Natural pest deterrent. A lot of animals like deer and rabbits are repelled by the scent of human hair. So in a survival garden, scattering hair around can help protect your plants and food supply. The smell signals predators to some animals, keeping them at a distance without causing harm. Insulation material. Hot hair traps air, which makes it a surprisingly effective insulator. In a survival situation, you can use hair to stuff into small pouches or cracks to retain warmth in shelters and add padding to clothing for extra insulation. This technique has been used historically in colder climates, where every little bit of warmth counts. A fishing line substitute. In a pinch, hair can double as a fishing line. While a single strand is going to be fragile, braiding several strands together increases its strength. Attach it to a hook, and you've got a makeshift fishing line to catch small fish for food. Binding material for repairs. Hair is flexible and it's tough, making it an excellent temporary binding material. You can use it to repair broken tools or arrow shafts by wrapping it tightly around weak points or combine it with tree sap or resin for added strength. It's not a permanent fix, but it'll hold until you can find something sturdier. Camouflage and brush making. If you need to blend into your surroundings, hair can be woven into nets or other materials to create camouflage. Additionally, hair can be fashioned into a small paintbrush for marking or artistic purposes. Oil absorption. Hair has natural oil-absorbing properties. In an emergency, you can use hair to soak up spilled oil or grease. This technique is even used commercially for cleaning up oil spills in the environment. Hair in history. Human hair has been used for practical purposes throughout history. During wartime, hair was collected to make ropes and nets. Some ancient cultures used hair in fishing equipment and in traps. These examples show you how versatile this natural resource can be, even when it's something we typically sweep up and throw away. Your hair might not be the first thing you think of as a survival tool, but its strength, flexibility, and natural properties make it a hidden resource. So the next time you're getting your hair trimmed, think twice before throwing it away. It may just save your life one day.